So Tim had an idea, or someone had an idea, that we could do a night drive session. So we are heading out to Toolangi and I'm going to hit up some tracks.
Out with the boys for a Toolangi night run. Just aired down and smashing a pie. And John has brought his mini Jimny.
That's so good.
Jesse's pretending to be an earthworm.
That thing's awesome.
I want to see that do Rockey Track. Are you going to do Rockey Track in it?
I think I'm going to ride it on Rockey Track.
You're going to ride it on Rockey Track?
Yeah, I think it'll have more power than the
Fair enough. Robbo's here, he's brought the big 75.
G'day guys. G'day guys. G'day guys, how you going?
She's looking very clean, mate.
Where did you get that from?
The pie?
Yeah.
The servo.
There you go. Serious?
Yeah.
Was it the last one?
Oh no,
that was the other servo.
Yeah, it was.
Different servo.
I got it at the servo on the way out and I forgot about it.
That's not cool.
Unlucky for you.
Smash the pie.
Go on. Let's brought his mini Jimny. Oh yes. I've missed this. First big rock step. Jimny's following me, close behind. Whee. See how he goes with this. Chewed out.
I have 0 traction in the arse end.
This is more chewed out than I remember.
Yeah, welcome to you. No weight off the back, so I've got a steel tray.
Doing well, man. It's like your first time 4-wheel driving.
Yeah.
So give it the beans. Yep. Now come right. There you go. Keep going.
I fucked it up because I laughed.
That's alright.
The signature move, mate. The Jimny accidental horn.
You've got heaps of sort of easy space to come back if you want to come back a bit. Left. There you go, straight. Keep going straight. Yep. Send it. Left. That's it. Straight, straight. Keep it going straight. Keep your foot in. Keep going. That's it. Yeah.
Yeah. That's awesome. Yeah, the Jimny!
You!
Such a good little car.
How good? How'd you go, Tom?
Yeah, not bad. I had to go back and try again.
Yeah.
With a different, slightly
It's pretty
different
bouncy,
line.
hey?
Yeah. Especially in this thing.
Yeah.
No, mate, I think that's the first time I've gone up the middle line of Rocky. So
Oh, well done.
Pretty
Congrats.
happy with that. I'm stoked.
That was
did
awesome.
So well. I'm so stoked. But like anxious time.
Jesus. How to break a CV shaft 101.
Huh?
How to break a CV shaft 101.
Don't have a canopy on.
Captain Sendinator over here.
Mate, alloy trays for days.
You in low range?
Yeah. Low range first.
Low range fifth.
I'm in two-wheel drive. That's right.
Yeah, that's good. Alright, let's continue.
Oh boy.
Dude, you're so stoked.
I'm fucking stoked.
That was awesome.
It goes so well.
Yeah.
Like when there's grip and no sand, it's just,
Yeah.
it's amazing. This
Definite.
is not the grippiest track.
No, it's quite scrubbly when it's dry. Alright, let's continue.
Yeah. Holy shit. So we're down airplane track, Toolangi.
Last time I just
It's nearly 2 in the morning, and Tim's gonna send it down this hole.
No, you're pointing that way. If I ride down here, you'll drop. Keep sliding down, just to the right. Keep sliding down, just to the right. Yeah, I think I'll give that one a miss. I'm seeing that. Soon he's pushing and he's on a lot taller than me. Straighten your wheels up, Tim.
Straighten up. Right hand down, right hand down.
That's it.
Yeah.
Straight now. Straight to your bonnet. That entrance is fast. All I could hear was your flare just get crunched as it came around the corner. It's like... Yeah, I watched you do that entrance and I just went, yeah, I'm not going to have a go.
Well, Tim's stuck. I don't know if you can see me. Probably can't see me. Tim's stuck. So we're gonna move the Jimny down past the chicken track, get one of the other utes in front, and then use that ute to pull Tim out. Good.
Ready?
Silence.
I can't see myself.
Hang on. Who are we dealing with?
It's me. It's a tired me.
How'd you go tonight, mate?
Yeah, good. Had a lot of fun. First time being out since COVID. So yeah,
Oh yeah,
it was
you
good.
haven't been out at all?
Not at all.
Oh,
not in the 4WDrive anyway.
Yeah.
No, it was a lot of fun. It was good.
But ate it up, mate. Didn't even struggle.
Yeah.
Couple moments.
Couple moments. Yeah, a little bit of slippage. I had to roll back down a couple of times on not much. I think it was not much help, and try again. But yeah, got up everything, so that was good.
Yeah. Nice work, man. Damage report, Sterlo?
All good so far, I think. So had the ABS lights flickering on and off a bit earlier on. Seemed to have sorted itself out after a quick unplug and a replug of the ABS. So yeah, so far so good. We'll find out tomorrow in the daytime if there's anything, but everything's looking like it's where it should be.
Look for puddles tomorrow morning?
Yeah, that's it.
How'd you go today, Tim?
Yeah, good. That's my only real casualty.
Yeah, so you want to be done there? Just a bit. Just a bit. But you went through that big hole and you've come out with no panel damage or anything. Looking good.
Pretty happy about that.
Yeah, good man. Yeah, missing a bolt there, but
That was always missing.
wow, it's good, man. Good trip.
That was a good trip. Man, the Jimny, what a weapon.
I'll do my own interview. The Zeke did really well. I'm actually super stoked. I didn't know what to expect coming out here. The only other trip I've done in it is out to Big Desert, and it really struggled in the sand. You know, short wheelbase and very narrow track. I was kind of worried that I'd have similar problems out here, but I'm actually amazed. Got up Rockey Track without any assists. Got most of the way up cockpit with just one moment of needing to winch. Probably could have pushed it harder and done it without the winch, but it's also the first time I've had the winch, so I wanted to give that a try. And then down aeroplane was alright. Took the chicken track a bit because just some of the holes were just too deep for the Jimny, but yeah, super stoked with how it went, so great.